Hello there, it's Kelly Martin, and I teach English at the Plano campus. And for this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up your course using Top Hat. And in order to use the Top Hat test proctoring feature, you obviously, as you would in Canvas, need to actually set up a course first. So let's get started walking through these steps. So as you can see up here, I'm at tophat.com. Very simple to remember, or easy to remember, simple name. And I'm going to click on sign up. Actually, let me click on it and let's let it pull up for a second. So I am a professor and I want to create my course. So I'm going to obviously select set up my course. And simply type in Collin College, and that should be the only similar school that you will find in the list. Obviously click on next, and then we're going to enter well, not our, but you would enter your first name. I'll enter my first name. Let me try, since I already have courses set up, let me try a different one. And I'm going to enter K Jones, and I hope there's not another K Jones at collin.edu. And Top Hat does ask, for a good reason, that you set up using your school email. That way students can contact you, and Top Hat can contact you via your professional email. And then password, this is just a password that you create for your instructor login. And they prefer it to be alphanumeric. So I'm going to set up my dog's name. And then obviously I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. And I'll click next. So I'm just going to skip this process. And then title your course name. So we're going to title this one example course number 1. We will start it, let's see. I'm just going to pick today's date, or this month, 2020. And then my subject will say English 1301, because again, I can't remember if I said that or not. I think I did, but I teach English. And the course code. I make mine very simple. So because we've created English 1301, I'm going to click no thanks for now. Those are tutorials that will walk you through what you need to do next, but that's what this video is about. So I won't make you sit through and watch tutorials when you can hear my beautiful voice. So I need to create content. So you naturally click on create. And if you want to create a proctored test, quiz, I'm going to use the generic term assessment, but just note that any type of assessment that you want proctored, Top Hat refers to as a test. Very similar to Canvas, except Canvas uses the word quizzes, but it can be a quiz or a test. Top Hat's, again, the opposite. And so that's just a brief overview of getting a course set up and creating a proctored exam. And you can check out my other videos on Top Hat tests and on using Top Hat in general for more information.